so you guys remember how I told you guys that I had something else coming for the car? Well, today it finally arrived, and I'm about to show you guys literally right now. So I got, can you guys guess what it is? Yes sir, I got the Tomei for the GTR. GTR's right there. Excuse the mess, my brother is fixing the Z. It's broken like always. He got a bad wheel bearing, so he's changing shit out right now. See, it's all over the place. Hanging on a bucket. Nice Lalo, good job dude. Anyways, let's open this bad boy up and see how it is. Holy crap, I'm already sweating. Alright, so let's go get this thing installed, and I'm gonna give you guys a cold start of the exhaust that it has right now, the Kakimoto. So this is gonna be the last time you guys are gonna hear the Kakimoto exhaust on the GTR.
Tomorrow.
Alright you guys, I finally, fuck, I can't even talk right now. I finally put the Tomei on the R32. I didn't do it myself though, I took it to the shop, but I was gonna record in the shop and, well, the guy was already about to close, so, you know, I didn't want to be that guy. People are looking at me weird right now. But yeah, I finally got the Tomei on, and in my opinion it sounds way better than the Kakimoto that I used to have on it. The Kakimoto on it was actually pretty brand new. When I took it off, it literally still looked new. So I don't know how long that one has been on the car. But now the pops and the car itself is louder, as you can tell by the sound clips that I'm probably gonna add on this. And there's people are just looking at me like, either because I'm holding the camera or because I'm on the other side of the car driving, but you know, whatever. Yeah, the exhaust was $1,000 and it came in like a week. So shout out to, where did I get it from? Injuka Racing. Shout out to Injuka Racing, because that's where I got it from. And my brother, for his Tomei and the Z, he had to wait like 3 months for it since it was on back order, but for the GTRs they had them in stock, so I said why not, I'm just gonna get it. And I'm very happy with it. Inside is a little droney, as you can probably tell right now. Like, I'm at 3,000 RPMs and it's pretty loud inside. I'm gonna hit it a little bit. See it, and it starts getting louder and louder and louder as you go up. The Kakimoto was relatively quiet from the inside, but my Evo was pretty noisy on the inside, so I'm pretty used to it.
I'm like, wait. Got all that.
fine. There's a lot of, I always do it on there because there's a lot of room to mess up in, you know? So if, like right now I spun out, but I didn't hit anything. There's literally a wide entrance. But the cars behind me, they stayed back. I don't know if they got scared too, but that was pretty funny. Pretty fun. I'm still doing the giveaway. I just haven't had time, you know? Like I said, I barely have time to film. This video has been taking me like a week to film right now. So just be patient with me, you guys. I will be doing another giveaway after this one. I just don't know at what point or what I'm going to be giving away. So if you guys have any ideas on what you guys want me to give away, then DM me on Instagram or comment down below right here, whatever you guys want to do. My IG is GTR_Danny, so if you haven't followed me, go give me a follow real quick and DM me any ideas you think I should do for my future giveaways. Should I do one for 5,000 or should I do one for like 10,000 subs? The 100,000 sub giveaway, I want to do something real big, you know, but we got a long way to go. You guys hear those pops? What do you guys think of the exhaust? Let me know. Did I make a good choice? Should I have stuck with the other exhaust? Or what? So let me know down in the comments below. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little update on the GTR. And yeah, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you next video. Alright, so this is how it sounds at idle. Hi Melly! Say hi to my sister, guys. Hi.